Hello all, welcome to session 77. In this session, I'm going to practically demonstrate save screenshot command in Selenium Python. So let's get started. What exactly is this command? Using this save screenshot command in Selenium Python, we can take the screenshot of the current page and save it at the given location. Now let me practically demonstrate this command for you. For that, I'll open the PyCharm IDE. Inside this PyCharm IDE, there is a Python file having some sample Selenium automation code already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser window, for taking you to this application URL. Okay, once you are taken to this application URL like this, okay, once you are taken to this application URL page like this, I want to take the screenshot of this page. Okay, whatever the current page that is displayed, I want to take the screenshot of this page. For that, we'll be using this command known as save screenshot command. So how to use the command? We have to say driver dot save screenshot. Okay, I'll say driver dot save screenshot. Here we need to provide the path where we need to save the screenshot. Okay, after this command takes the screenshot, we need to save it at some location in your machine. So what I will do is in this project itself, I'll create a folder, guys. Okay, right click new directory. I'll give some name as screenshots folder. Screenshots. Now right click on the screenshots folder and select copy path. When you select the copy path, you'll get multiple options. I'll select absolute path for now. Okay, absolute path and provide the absolute path here. So this is the location. Okay, the screenshots folder is this, whatever the screenshots folder you created in this project is at this location in your machine. See users, my name, okay, PyCharm project, Selenium practice screenshots like this. Fine. Here I need to replace the single slash with double slash, guys, to overcome these errors and all. Simply replace the single slash with the double slash like this. Now, here at the end of this path, okay, at the end of this path, here you need to provide double slash again and give the name of the screenshot file. So after this screenshot has been taken by this command, in using which name you want to store that or save that particular screenshot under the screenshots folder, that name you have to give here, guys. Let's say I'll give something like what is that application? Tutorials Ninja, right? Tutorials Ninja. Okay, this application, Tutorials Ninja application, Tutorials Ninja 1.png. You just give PNG extension, guys. Okay, this save screenshot will work with the PNG extension. So give only the PNG extension here. Fine. That's it, guys. Okay, we created a folder and we are trying to save that screenshot that has been taken by this command at this particular location with this particular name and extension, PNG extension. Fine. Now let's run this code and see whether this command is working or not. Right click, run. It should work, guys. Okay, after going to this application, a screenshot will be taken for this current page and will be stored under the screenshots folder. You see, if I expand the screenshots folder, I got a screenshot with the given name, tutorials ninja 1.png has been created, guys. Right click on this screenshot and select open in option and select the explorer. Okay, you will be taken here directly in your machine at this particular location. This particular screenshot has been taken. Let me open the screenshot so that you can see how the screenshot has been taken. Guys, can you see the screenshot? This is how the screenshot looks. Okay, this is a screenshot of that has been taken by this command known as save screenshot command, where we have provided the path, the name of the file, screenshot file, and name of the extension of the screenshot. That is PNG we have to give. So hope guys you understood how to use save screenshot command in Selenium Python for taking the screenshots. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.